Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make sweet potato gnocchi with Green Mountain Farm to School coordinator Emma. Step 1. You're going to need to collect all of your materials. A sweet potato, 2.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, a few sage leaves, 1 tablespoon of salt, a big bowl and some measuring cups, and a fork. Step 2. You're going to poke a few holes in your sweet potato to prep it for baking. Step 3. You're going to bake the sweet potato at 350 degrees until tender. This should take about 50 minutes. Step 4. Once your sweet potato is out of the oven and cooled, peel and mash your sweet potato. Step 5. Add about 1.5 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of salt into your large mixing bowl. Step 6. Knead the sweet potato into your flour. You want to make sure your dough is not sticky, so you might need to add a little bit more flour. Step 7. Cut the dough into quarters. First, you'll want to spread a little bit of flour onto your work surface. Then, you can cut the dough into quarters and roll them into little round balls. Step 8. Roll the dough into tubes and cut the dough into 1/2-inch pieces. Step 9. We're going to boil the gnocchi until it floats, which should take about 3 minutes. Step 10. We're going to melt some butter in the pot and then add some sage leaves. Step 11. Pour the butter over the gnocchi and enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more fun recipes, visit vermontharvestofthemonth.org.